Hello, my name's Frank. Welcome to Learning in Technology's Quick Tips for Microsoft Teams. Have you ever wanted to put emojis in your channel titles or in your team names? You can do that with Microsoft Teams. In this quick tip, I'll show you how. If we're going to be in Teams working a lot, we want to try to make it as visually appealing as possible. So you can see for the Outdoor Adventure Club, I have all these channels and have these little emojis on the side just to make it a little bit more interesting. So how did I do that? If you hit the ellipse to create a new channel, let's go ahead and add a new channel. And we're going to add a new channel for outdoor fitness training. So I'm going to hit my Windows period key, and that's going to bring up the emoji keyboard. I can then go into a subject area, let's say the people icons, and if I scroll down, I'll get into the fitness section here, and let's say we're going to do some strength training for our outdoor fitness. So we'll do this as fitness, got the cap locks on, so we'll do this as fitness training. It's important if we're going to be doing any strenuous hike for outdoors. So we'll do fitness training for outdoors, add that in, and you'll notice that I will have a new channel with a little, bicep and then the fitness training for outdoors. You can also use this within a conversation. So if I go into a new conversation here, you'll notice down at the bottom, again, if I hit my Windows period key, I can go in and I could go through and scroll to whatever area I want. And so I'll put in a scooter there and we can say, let's use scooters for whatever reason. And we'll go in and that goes in as a little icon. I don't use it as much in my conversations as I do for things like channel descriptions, just to add some visual appeal. Thank you for watching. I hope that was useful. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and longer videos, and share with any colleagues that might benefit from this information. Thank you for watching. Here's some other videos you can check out on my channel.